Hey guys, I did a track workout yesterday, some 800s, and I brought the drone out because it wasn't too windy, and I was able to get this pretty cool drone footage from the first 800, and I put some overlays on it for some live stats, so I thought I'd just post it up. I'm making a longer video of kind of a week of training. This will be part of it, but I thought might as well throw up the entire first 800. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you guys like these live stats and whatnot, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. If you're tuning in for the first time, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the full video when this drops.